once we have to do the same activity 3-4 times, then only you will become expert.
Yeah.
Please click on the SAP reference IMG.
Okay.
Yeah, personal management. Personal management.
Yeah, I can't see the personal management here.
Yeah, you need to go down.
Yeah.
Meghna, you need to go down.
Yeah.
Yeah, under personal management, personal administration, still, yeah, now you can see.
Mm-hmm.
Personal administration.
Yeah, it's taking time to open. Yeah. Now?
Okay. Basic settings. Please try to recollect these activities. Well, I've just shown you the path, and yeah. The first one is the maintain user parameters. Today we'll be doing the maintain user parameters. So why we need to do the user parameters? Let us say that you are working on a project which is required for US project.
Okay.
So we need to get all the settings, STD code, currency, legal settings, zip codes, all the settings, legal requirements, payroll, taxes. So for that reason, you need to use this maintain user parameters. Can you please click on the maintain user parameter icon?
Yeah. Okay.
Now once you click on that, please select the country USA. So click on that, it will show that parameters created for USA. Please click on the green check mark.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, your parameters for USA as created. Now can you please click on this parameter tab beside the address?
Okay.
Once you click on that, what changes it has taken place? Once you click on the user parameters, are you able to see this? UGR is 10, user group reference is 10. What is
Yes.
10? The country group for USA. Now
Uh,
can you please click on the first one, Molga, blank area. Select that,
yeah.
or else you just click on the right side area. Here, exactly opposite to Molga, you have, yeah, 10. Are you able to see this?
Yes.
So if
What
you
is
are implementing
Mongo?
a project for USA, you need to select 10. Now we'll see what happens, what are the changes takes place. MOL means Molga, that is a country group. Please
Okay.
remember, MOL is a Molga, that is a country group. UGR is a user group reference.
But one second, we gave country is USA and the country code is 10 for USA.
We have not given
So,
anything, we have just selected USA.
okay, whatever it is. But
Yeah.
as per this topic, I mean this part, USA country code is 10, right?
Yes.
So country code and user group reference will be same.
Yes, same.
Oh, so what is Molga? Again, it's 10, right?
Yeah, Molga is 10. Molga means country group.
But it is not US, right? Molga is a different thing, but it says 10, the same number.
Molga is a terminology, SAP terminology. Molga indicates what is the
Oh,
country group.
okay, got it.
Okay. Now we'll see what happens if we select country group UK. Please go back. See, Meghna, I'm teaching you in the concept wise, sequence wise. As I told you, I'm teaching in a different, very special way to you. Sometimes the class may be for 30 minutes, sometimes it may be for continuously 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It
That's
depends on the sequence. Now I request you to select Great Britain, GB, UK.
not going.
Please type G.
Oh, okay.
Using your keyboard, you can type G and you'll get all the countries. Yeah, Great Britain. green check mark. See, we are only selecting the country and it is saying that parameters are created for that particular countries. And after that again go to the parameters and see what are the changes in the background it is taking place. The UGR has been changed to 08 and the MOLGA has been changed to 08, right?
Yes. Yes.
I hope you are clear with this. What are user parameters? So user parameters will set your system ready for the country specific projects. Okay. So all the settings, country requirements, because like every country has its own currency, time zone, legal systems, payroll system, tax systems, and HR process. So everything according to the country will be tuned to this project. Now please go back to the previous screen. So this is about user parameters. Now I request you to go back to the previous screen.
Okay.
So this is clear. Now we'll go to the maintain number range interval for personal number. Can you please double click on the maintain number range interval for personal number? Yeah. So here last time we have seen what are the intervals once again. Now please click on the change. Change. Not that. This one, change. So you have three. One is to display, one is here. Below that.
This one?
Yes.
Change intervals. Yeah.
Change intervals. So try to recollect what are these activities. Can you please tell about this, Meghna?
Actually, I believe this is like 8-digit unique number, like for positions and objects.
No, Meghna. These are for the employee numbers.
Oh, okay.
So please try to recollect. These are for the employee numbers. Here you can see 01. Can you please select 01, the first one? Yeah. So in the last class we had a brief discussion. So let us say that we have two locations employees. One is New York and other is Chicago. So all the employees working in New York, we want to give employee numbers starting from 1000 to 2000.
Yeah.
Okay. And select 03 serial number. And this we want to give all the employees who are working in Chicago.
Okay.
So these are nothing but employee number ranges, personal number ranges. So what is the heading? Maintain number range intervals.
Yeah.
So what is the interval for 1000 to 1999? What is the number range for 03? 3000 to
3999.
Okay. So these are the number ranges which are existing in the system.
Okay.
Okay. As a consultant, he was also asking like, do we need to give the employee numbers personally or system will assign? System will assign the employee numbers when the end user is hiring an employees. Meghna.
Okay.
Okay. So now today we'll see how to create our own number ranges. So before creating number ranges, you need to check the availability. So 05 we have 5000 to 5999, right?
Yeah.
We'll create 6. 06. For that, on the top you have a plus interval, add interval. On the top of it, yes.
Yeah.
And we'll give a small range. Our number is 6. And here, please give 6001 to 6010. Next field. 6010. Okay. And wait for a second. Here, current number we need not give. And one more field is there, external. Okay. If you check this, can you please check that? Click on that, external. Yeah. If you check this, the system will not assign the numbers automatically. You need to give manually. When we are checking, when we are testing, we will be using in the real time this external activity. But in general, always it will be open. Please remove that. Yeah. So what is your number range, Meghna? 06. Your number range is identified by which number?
06.
06 is the serial number of your number range. Your number range is identified by 06 and your number range is 6001 to 6010, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now try to add this again, plus symbol below. Yeah. If you click on that.
Srinivas.
If there is no overlapping, it will add. If
Okay.
there are overlapping any numbers, it will not add that. Please
Okay.
click on that.
Yeah, you said before click on the external number, right? But you said you didn't take. Can you explain one more time that one, please?
Yeah. So now these are the number ranges. Number ranges in the sense these numbers we have given for employees. So when you are hiring an employee, the system will take the first employee it will take 6001. The second employee it will take 6002. Likewise, in a sequence as and when you are hiring, it will assign the numbers. These numbers are personal numbers.
Okay.
The system will assign. But sometimes you want to assign manually.
Okay.
You don't want the system to assign employee numbers to employees when you are hiring.
Okay.
So if you don't want the system to assign automatically, you need to click under external number range. External means externally, manually you need to give the employee numbers to employees.
Okay. Got you.
Got it?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes, it's there. It's 06.
06, it has accepted or it is there? It has accepted.
Accepted.
So we are very lucky that it has accepted. Generally it takes a lot of time to accept because most of the students they will be creating big number range where the data is already existing. So fortunately the data is available for us, right?
Okay. So
now try to save this.
Save? Okay.
Yeah. Save icon. Yes.
Yeah, I did. So,
and please click
what
on
is the
save.
current number then?
Current number, don't worry about the current number. You are not yet started hiring. So no current number.
Oh, okay.
Now I have a question for you, Meghna. 01 is the serial number, right?
Yes.
1000 to 1999. What is the current number?
1057.
1057, that's right. What do you mean by that? So till this number, the employees have been assigned the personal numbers, right?
Yeah.
So, but for others, there is 0. For what is your number range?
6001 to 6010.
What is your number range is identified by?
06.
Yeah. So what is the current number for that?
0.
0, because nobody has started hiring in this number range, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Now try to save this. Meghna, try to save this. Yeah.
Yeah, did.
And don't be in a hurry.
Okay.
Click on that and wait for a second.
Okay. I saved.
1 second, can you please save it? Yeah. Okay. The changes were saved. That's very fine. And your number range is 06.
Yeah.
Remember, your number range is 06. Meghna.
Yeah.
Your number range is 06 and that will be called as a return value in the next sequence. Whatever the activity we are going to do next, the 06 is called as a return value.
Okay.
Okay. Now please go back to the previous screen. Back. Yeah. So now please click on the determine default for number range. Third one. This is called feature.
Okay.
These are called features. How does the system knows?
Okay.
There are so many number ranges created by consultants. Which number should be assigned to which location, right?
Yeah.
And this also I have just briefly explained this. Kindly open 10. Open the note 10. Yes, open that. Open this company code. Yeah, open that 3000. Open the personal area. Open New York. Very good. Yeah, what do you understand by this, Meghna? If the country is 10,
yeah.
10 means if the country is USA, if the company code is 3000, if the personal area is New York, and when we are hiring an employees for New York, what numbers it should assign? It should assign the numbers which are there in the number range 01, right?
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
1000 to 1999. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Now, do you have the notepad and a pen or pencil, or would you like to use such kind of a diagram on your notepads on the
Yeah,
screen?
yeah. No, wait, I'll get my pen and paper.
Yeah.
2 seconds.
Now, starting from 10,
Uh-huh.
please draw your decision tree according to our requirement. If you can
Okay.
remember your company code, personal area,
Oh,
and your
whatever we
return value.
created.
1 second, Meghna.
Mhm.
Hello? Yeah, Meghna. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please write
What
10.
is this BURKS?
Yeah, that is the company code. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
So please write 10.
Uh-huh.
Same as it is. Then put an down arrow mark and write BUKRS.
Yeah, I did.
In bracket you write company code.
Okay.
Okay, again put an arrow.
Okay.
And this 3000 is the company code.
Yeah.
What was your company code, Meghna?
For us, C123.
Yeah, please write C123.
Okay.
Again put down arrow towards right and write WERKS.
Okay.
And in bracket you please write parcel area.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put again down arrow pointing towards right, the same way.
Okay.
And what was your parcel area, Meghna?
Personal area C cubic, right?
What you have given that? Parcel area is the location. What location you have given, Meghna? Some code you have given, right?
Yeah. C Dallas.
C Dallas, sure.
Yeah, CDAL.
Yeah, please write that.
Mm-hmm.
And again put a down arrow pointing towards right.
Okay.
01. What is 01? That is the serial number of the number range. And what is yours? What you have created just now?
06.
Please write 06.
Okay.
Okay. So now looking at your decision tree, whatever you have created manually on your paper, that is called the decision tree.
Okay.
So what does your tree tells? If the country is USA, if the company code is,
C123.
if the parcel area is,
C Dallas.
yeah, when you are hiring an employees for Dallas, what numbers it will assign?
The number range in 06 from 6001 to 6010.
Very good, Meghna.
Thank
That's
you.
it. Okay. So it's very simple. See, SAP, I'm expert in making it very simple.
Okay.
Okay. Most of the people, they make it very complicated.
Mm-mm.
If you look at this,
Mm.
it takes nearly 1 week to practice and understand this, but I'll make you to practice and become expert within 3 minutes.
Okay.
Now, come back to the previous screen. So what is this feature we call, Meghna?
Determine defaults for number ranges.
So this is called determine default for number ranges, and again double click on this.
Okay.
Once you double click on that, on the top what you are able to see, process feature numker.
Yeah. Numker, yeah.
This feature we call it as a numker. And what we are doing here, decision tree. Why we are calling it as a decision? Based on the conditions what we are going to tell to the computer, it is taking a decision, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
That is the reason we call it as a decision tree.
Okay.
Now can you please tell why we call this as a decision tree?
Whatever we are giving the instructions to the computer, based on that it's taking decision and making that tree.
Making the actions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we'll do our own, right? Open 10. So you have done your decision tree manually. Now we do it
Okay.
on system. Now please place your cursor on BUKRS. A small click on that. Okay. go to the create. 1 second, Meghna. Generally, we should not do that. Okay, generally this should not be disturbed, but I'll make you expert. Please place your cursor on otherwise in the down. Right side, click on the right side. Don't open the node, yeah. Go to the create.
Okay.
Wait for a second. So what you have to select, we need a field for taking decision. We require a field so that the computer can take some decision. Field for decision operation. Please select field for decision operation. Second one.
Okay.
Click on that. Now go to the green check mark.
Okay.
Now select the field. What is the field we need to take first? Country group.
Yeah.
We require a country. Where is country? Molga?
Molga.
Yeah, please select that. And transfer. Okay. Now you got Molga. Now please place the cursor on Molga. Small click, go to the create and select the country. Go to the create and you will be getting a list of countries. Out of list of countries, you need to select your country. What is your country? Project implementing USA, right? Please select 10.